Guys, oh my god, the day I dread has finally arrived. Kailangan na dyan ko mag-declutter, guys! Cause for the first time in like 2 months, mani akong mama dire sa among balay. Cause my sister and I moved out from their house. And dire sila mag-Christmas party later, guys. And I'm scared when she arrives in my room. Yung siya, saman mo, you get man akong balay! So, guys, I need to declutter. My God, stressful. Guys, not that I'm proud, pero lala ang kakalat sa ko room. Cause I just finished packing. And oh my God, guys, give me a break. It's a 9-day trip, so kailangan gid na ko ihulba akong closet. And guys, na-stress ko. Cause I prepared 9 days worth of clothing. Pero grabe ka, daghan kay ko'y sanina, guys. Halos iluwa na sa kong closet akong clothes. Overconsumption is not cool at all. Anyway, magsugod na ko guys kasi ko yaw-yaw. This is gonna be a very disorganized decluttering because ako na panglabog din ang mga clothes that I'm gonna give away. This is why I dread this day. Nagubaan ako guys. Guys, so far from this cabinet, kanina ko ipanghatag. And mga partial pa na akong ipanghatag guys. My God, nakaka-stress. Guys, grabe na kung atching-atching ipasa ko na si Werner sa kuyaya. Trabaho, guys. So, what the heck? My God, kadaghan pa da ay kaayo gihapon. Okay, pakate?
Okay pa ko, ma'am.
Tuwa na gid ang akong cabinet ug mga sanina. My gosh. So far, kanina sila ang ipanghatag nako. Guys, nasakit na dyan ko. What the heck? Progress check. Nanyo, may space na ako ulit. Ito guys, nasira. What the heck? Papaayo ko yan. Grabe ka-organized, guys. Pa guys. Super, super organized na. Kani guys, as in, another bagyo. Ang ubante din na ako ipakita kamar kamatyo na nako. Ibilin na nako ni sa kong yaya guys. Kay grabe na akong atching. Ikaw na bahala dire ti Jul ha. My gosh. Kaya awa ko guys. Di na ako masabtan. My gosh. More to siya guys. Bye.